Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are great. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class we have already learnt about sounds of A and E. So today we will do the revision of sounds of I and U. So everyone, take out your Hollyhock book. Open page number 7. Mention the date and classwork at the top. So kids, look here. Let's start reading. Read aloud. So kids, you have to do reading loudly with me. Okay? So tell me, what is this? This is tin. This is tin. T-I-N, tin. Sound of T is T. Sound of I-N is in. So it will become tin. Now look here kids. Which picture is this? This is a picture of boy and he is sitting. This is a picture of boy. He is sitting. So the spelling of sit is S-I-T. Sound of S is S. Sound of I-T is it. So it will become sit. Now this is pin. This is pin. P-I-N. Pin. This is, what is this? Tell me. The man is digging. The man is digging. D-I-G. Dig. Sound of D is D. Sound of I-G is ig. So it will become dig. Now look here kids. What is this? This is lid. This is lid. L-I-D, lid. Sound of L is L. Sound of I-D is id. So it will become lid. Now tell me, which body part is this? Yes, this is lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Sound of L is L. Sound of I-P-S is ips. So it will become lips. Now tell me kids, which numeral is this? Yes, this is numeral 6. This is numeral 6. S-I-X. Sound of S is S. Sound of I-X is X. So it will become 6. Now let's see some words. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. M-I-X, mix. M-I-X, mix. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. Sound of B is B. Sound of I-G is ig. So it will become big. T-I-P, tip. T-I-P, tip. Sound of T is T. Sound of I-P is ip. So it will become tip. This is I-S, is. I-S, is. Now tell me, what is this? Which word is written over here? Tell me kids. Yes, bin. B-I-N. Sound of B is B. Sound of I-N is, I already told you kids. Yes, it's in. So it will become bin. B-I-T, bit. B-I-T, bit. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Now this is F-I-G, fig. Sound of F is F. Sound of I-G is ig. So it will become fig. This is, tell me kids, D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. Sound of D is D. Sound of I-P is ip. So it will become dip. I-T, it. I-T, it. Now let's see some pictures. What is this? This is a picture of cot. This is a picture of cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Sound of C is K. Sound of O-T is ot. So it will become cot. Yes, kids? What is this? This is lock. This is lock. L-O-C-K. Sound of L is L. Sound of O-C-K is ok. So it will becomes lock. Now these are spots. These are spots. S-P-O-T-S. This is frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. F-R-O, fro. C-K, k. So it will become frock. Okay, kids? Now this is log. This is log. L-O-G, log. Sound of L is L. Sound of O-G is og. So it will become log. Now let's see some words. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Sound of D is D. Sound of O-G is og. So it will become dog. N-O-W, now. N-O-W, now. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. J-O-B, job. Sound of J is J. Sound of O-B is ob. So it will become job. Now tell me, what is this? Geo, go. Geo, go. O-N, on. O-N, on. This is L-O-G, lock. L-O-G, lock. Sound of L is L. Sound of O-G is og. So it will become log. H-O-W, how. H-O-W, how. Sound of H is H. Sound of O-W is ow. So it will become how. This is H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. Sound of R is R. Sound of O-B is ob. So it will becomes rob. N-O, no. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-F, off. So kids, like this you have to do reading practice of page number 7 of your Holly Hog book. Till then, take care. Bye-bye everyone.